What up, ladies and gentlemen? We're going to do some math solving, and yeah, it's going to solve all of life's questions. What? Okay. Alright, so we got a question here from Vero Lee. I have no idea if that's how you say it, but I'm going to say it that way. You can read all this if you want, but I'm just going to sum it up. He wants to find what x and y are. Now, you have several different options on how to solve this. You can do substitution, you can do elimination, you can do one of the other things that nobody likes. Okay, essentially what you want to do is find your x and y, which will be where these two lines cross. Okay, so I think the easiest route for us on this little fella would be elimination. So let's write it out. 10x. You know what? I like my font to be just a little bit right here. Okay, 10x minus 3y equals 27. And then 3x plus 5y equals 73. Now, what you need to do is you need to make it to where your x's or your y's would be able to cancel each other out, which means you need like a 7 and a negative 7, or a 2 and a negative 2, or a negative 3 and a 3. Doesn't matter. We need it to where we can add them together and they'll equal 0. Okay? So, I think our easiest one, since it's already a negative, would be our y section right here. And so I'm going to need to multiply the top one by 5 and the bottom by 3. That would make it to where this is going to be negative 15y, and this is going to be positive 15y, which is what I want, because I want to use elimination, which means it's going to eliminate that y. So I distribute this here. So it'll be 50x minus 15y equals 135. Okay, then we distribute this one here, 3, 5, and 73. So it'll be 9x plus 15y equals, is that 219? Does that seem right? We'll say yes. Okay, now, they eliminate because we can add these two equations together. Okay, so I know this together, 50 plus 9 is 59x. I know these two together would be 0, which cancels out. And then we add these two together. Oh, dear goodness. Okay, so that'd be 354. Is that right? 354? I'll say yes. All right. Then we just got to get x by itself. So I divide 59 on both sides. And x is going to equal straight up 6. Okay? So, we got x. Boom. Boom shakalaka. 6. Now we need to find y. This is the easy part. All you do is plug in 6 into either one of these equations and find out what y equals. So I'm going to use the bottom one because there's no negatives. 3x plus 5y equals 73. Should use the top one. 73 is an ugly number. Okay, let's plug in this for x. So it'll be 3 times 6. That's the worst looking 3 ever. Plus 5y equals 73. 3 times 6 would be 18. I'm just going ahead and subtract 18 from both sides. Sorry, skipping steps. Don't tell my mom or somebody who likes steps to be touched. So 73 minus 18 would be 55. Then we divide 5 on both sides. Y equals 11. And ladies and gentlemen, we have solved the equations of all equations. Alright, now if you could do me a favor, which I'd really appreciate, if you could please subscribe to my channel, that'd be nice. And then also, you know, I got the whole Instagram thing if you want to check that out. I got Twitter if you want to check that out. How do you make what's a Twitter? It's a bird. It looks like a bird, right? And then, you know, Facebook pages, you know, Tyler Tarver is okay. Whatever. I nailed it. Alright, check it out. I love you. Bye. What? Okay.